gentlemen, boys and girls, for our grand finale, we will be bringing out lots of birds on stage, so let's get started. First up, to Africa, we have the great white pelican. Next up, to Eastern Europe, we have 4 Dalmatian pelicans. Come over here, guys. From South America, let's welcome our colorful macaws from up there and there. And there you have it, everyone, our grand finale of birds. Can we give them a big hand? Come to the end of the show. Now, if you would like to take pictures with our flamingos, please do say, as we will be bringing out our photography flamingos in a very short while. Now, in the meantime, you are more than welcome to come down, take pictures of the birds we have on stage while we usher them back home. Now, by the way, if you'd like to bring home fond memories of the show, my colleague up there is selling plush toys, going at a special price only here at Pools and Bean Theatre. Now, finally, on behalf of our sponsor, the Singapore Press Holdings Foundation, continue to have a great day right here in the Bird Park, and remember to take a look around and bring all your belongings with you when you leave. Thank you and bye-bye.